all about toucans. My name is Willow, and I chose this book because I really like birds and my family really likes them too. Diet. Toucans are omnivores. That means they eat plants and meat. For example, for meat, they eat lizards, and for plants, they eat fruit. They can also steal eggs from other nests. Body. Toucans are known for their colorful feathers. Little toucans do not have colorful feathers. Toucans' bills are up to 8 inches 20 centimeters. Scientists do not know why their bills are so big.
My name is Oakland, and this book is all about jaguars. And why I chose this because I think jaguars are the best pet to have if you ever want a pet. And they're really, I don't know, I love what they look like, and I feel like it is a type of cat, and I like cats. Jaguars eat meat and grass, and they save some for the babies, and they hunt for the babies. Jaguars see better at night than day. They swim very good than other cats.
I dedicated this book to Griffin because he loves chameleons.
My name is Oakley, and the book is called All About Chameleons. I chose chameleons because they're super cool. A chameleon can lay up to 20 to 200 eggs. There are about 30 live babies. Chameleon babies hatch after 4 to 12 months. Fun fact. The Parsons chameleon is over 2 feet long. Chameleons are born inside a clear, sticky sac. There are over 100 species.
My name is Braylon, and capybaras are cute. Capybaras babies can see when they are born. Mother capybaras love their babies. Mothers usually have 4 babies at a time. Now let's go. Fun facts. When danger is near, capybaras bolt. Some birds rest on the backs of capybaras.
All about giant roof runners. Eli. Habitat. The giant roof runner lives in the riverbanks of the Amazon rainforest. They make their dens under logs, in the riverbanks, and in the roots of big trees. Body part. Giant roof runners can get up to 6 feet long and 75 pounds. They have webbed feet to help them swim fast. They also have waterproof fur so they don't get wet while swimming. They can hold their breath for a while so they can catch fish without coming up for a while.
I'm Mabel, and I'm reading all about ocelots. And why I chose to write about ocelots is because I like big cats. Babies. Ocelot kittens have blue eyes. When they turn 3 months old, their eyes turn brown. Mother ocelots can have up to 1 to 3 kittens in a litter. Ocelots can live up to 15 years old. Fun facts. Ocelots will sometimes climb trees to hunt winds. No 2 ocelots have the same markings. Delicious.
My name's Griffin, and I picked to write about emerald tree boas, and the reason why I picked emerald tree boas is because I love snakes.
Emerald tree boas live in South America and the Amazon rainforest. They also live in a canopy to camouflage from predators. Tree boas keep their eggs inside their bodies and they hatch inside and then they come out. They can have between 6 and 14 babies.